All right, everybody. So the next instrument is the saxophone, which is a fantastic instrument. You probably have seen it played a lot in TV shows and movies. Um, the saxophone's played on with a reed, much like the clarinet plays a reed to use its instrument. The things I said about clarinet also apply to saxophone in terms of reed maintenance and budget for the year. So let's check it out and see what they have to say about the alto saxophone.
Hi everyone, I'm Sergeant First Class Brian Sakawa, and this
What's up, Brian?
is a saxophone. The saxophone
Bruh.
was invented by Belgian instrument maker Adolphe Sax to combine the power of the brass with the agility of the woodwinds. I think the saxophone is one of the coolest instruments, and I actually started playing it in 4th grade
Debatable.
because I had a friend who was taking private saxophone lessons, and he was like the coolest guy in the world.
Yeah, probably compared to you.
I had to be like him.
Just kidding.
Other than being really cool, one of my favorite things about the saxophone is its beautiful tone.
Yummy.
Now,
That's
the
good.
other thing I love about the saxophone is its versatility. I can play in any type of band, a concert band, a marching band, an orchestra,
What are they
a rock
doing?
band, and of course, a jazz band. And that's the saxophone.
Yeah, that's pretty good, man. So saxophone's pretty fun. It's like the clarinet in terms of ease and reed. So answer the question below, and I'll see you in the next video.